Welcome to the YouTube channel, The Man Style Decree. Welcome, gentlemen. You're tuned into the Man Style Decree, where age is just a number, but style is a statement. Today, we're diving into 10 casual mistakes that make men over 40 look older than they actually are. Trust me, it's not about chasing youth. It's about embracing maturity with sharpness, class, and confidence. Hit that subscribe button and let's elevate your wardrobe game to a whole new level. One, outdated eyewear. Wearing glasses that haven't changed since the 1990s? You're not alone. Many men over 40 stick with frames that were once trendy, but now add years to your face. Sleek, modern frames, even with subtle tweaks, can instantly update your appearance. Think of glasses not just as tools for sight, but as accessories that frame your personality. Two, baggy jeans. Still rocking those loose, shapeless jeans? Baggy denim not only hides your body's shape, but also drags your entire outfit into the past. Instead, opt for straight leg or tailored slim fits that offer a cleaner silhouette. Modern fit doesn't mean skinny, it means intentional. 3, chunky running shoes. With everything, running shoes have their place, the gym. But pairing them with jeans or slacks? That's a fast pass to looking outdated. Instead, switch to sleek minimalist sneakers or smart casual loafers for an age-appropriate but stylish touch. 4, overly logo-heavy clothing. Nothing says trying too hard more than bold, oversized logos. Subtlety is your best friend after 40. Choose refined pieces with minimal branding. It keeps your look mature, sharp, and lets your confidence, not your clothes, do the talking. 5, wearing graphic tees with juvenile prints. That superhero tee may be fun, but it's not doing your image any favors. Avoid loud, childish graphics. Instead, opt for solid colors, classic stripes, or well-fitted polos that speak of quiet confidence and timeless masculinity. 7. Holding on to college-era hoodies. Yes, it's comfortable. Yes, it has memories. But that faded college hoodie isn't doing your current self any justice. Trade it in for modern loungewear or structured knitwear that's just as comfortable but far more stylish. 8. Wearing clothes that don't fit is king, always. Oversized shirts, too long sleeves, or sagging pants add years and pounds. A tailored fit, not tight but precise, makes you look leaner, sharper, and more put together. 9. Outdated belts and accessories. Frayed leather belts, oversized wallets, and clunky watches are age accelerators. Modernize your accessories. Think minimalist watches, slim card holders, and belts in clean leather with updated buckles. The small stuff matters. 10. Neglecting color choices. Dark, dull, or mismatched colors can wash you out or make you look tired. Add life to your outfits with strategic color. Think navy instead of black, olive instead of beige, and layering tones that complement your skin. 'Elevate your everyday style. Style isn't about looking younger. It's about looking your best. Every decision you make, from your haircut to your shoes, should say you're intentional, modern, and confident. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button for more insights from the Man Style Decree, your guide to mastering maturity with style.